SantoseriaPotentials.com, signing at our channel. So, ang didakin natin today is, you already belong. So, ang Bible verse niya is from Mark, verse 3, chapter 3, verse 32 to 33. A crowd seated around him told him, "Your mother and brother are outside asking for you." Sabi niya, but he said to them in reply, "Who are my mother and brothers?" So, the one who wrote today's story is si Miss Tisha Caro. So, ang story niya is about a guy sa kanyang youth gathering. So, sabi niya, for some time nakita niya he was attending the youth gathering, but eventually he stopped attending kasi sabi niya he does not belong. So, parang nasad daw siya because he left, or some people leave behind without meaning to, but parang you are helpless kasi he didn't say anything or he didn't say goodbye, but parang he decided na I do not belong in this community. So sabi niya, humans daw, as humans, we all desire to belong to a community. People close to us may betray, reject, and leave us. But Jesus is in the business of creating new family with people who follow Him. So, yun, kumbaga, sa church, parang, or sa peace na, siguro to be more specific, parang hindi tayo pinipili, kumbaga, sinners ba tayo, good person ba tayo, basta, we need to be a part of it, we need yung words ng Lord, we need companionship, parang we are welcome, or we are welcome. So, yung reflection natin today is, have you felt rejected? How does it change you knowing that you are now a part of Jesus' family? So, friend, did it change you that you now belong to Jesus' family? So, praying that or hoping that you are changed because of Jesus. Jesus, thank you for inviting me to your family. Help me to follow you so that I may finally live as a child of God and take my place in your kingdom. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.